Hindi ba pwedeng hinayaan nyo na lang?
Alam mo, Karen, I was kinda, I gave that some allowance. No? I said, you apologize to me. Everybody makes a small mistake. That was not a small mistake. It was intentional. It was intentional to humiliate me. And dami kong mga dabarkads doon, yung mga retired doon sa Rockwell. Umiinom ng sa Dunkin. Tinitingnan nga siya eh. Hindi makuha sa tingin nito. Sabi ko ba, ladies and gentlemen, this man told me to get out of the mall because I coughed once. Do you think he's correct? Sagutan pa eh, no. So akala ko, we'll walk away. Bakit ako ang mag-walk away? Dapat siya nag-walk away. Di ba? O ngayon, tingnan natin kung hindi siya mawawaran.
Nag-apologize.
Wala. And you know what's worse? Eh di nandyan yung chief of police. Kasi pagdating ko sa Makati, 30 minutes na ako doon, walang pulis. Sabi ko, ang lakas ng bayad ko dito sa real estate tax sa Makati. Eh. Pagdating ko, walang pulis. Walang chief of police. Anyway, he arrived finally. So, nung hinatid na siya ng pulis doon with his lawyer, and take note, I advised the wife to get a lawyer. I was very fair. You know, if this is gonna be a fight, it's a fair fight. Di ba? Hindi ako unfair. Hindi ako unfair. Sinabihan sa ng chief of police, yung investigador, basahan mo na yan. You know what that means? You read him his Miranda rights. Nung babasahan na siya, tumakas siya kasama ang lawyer niya. Mananagot yung lawyer doon, di ba? Grabe naman yung mga lawyer ngayon. Ganyan na kayo ngayon. Saan ba yung nag-aaral na ganyan na kayo ngayon, wala kayong respeto sa batas?